Experiencing problems with your Spectrum self-install? Let's tackle activation issues first. This often involves registering your modem router with Spectrum's network. First, review the components in your Spectrum self-install kit. Make sure you have the modem, router, cables, and activation code ready. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered on and connected to a coax outlet. Step 2. Use the Spectrum app or website and the activation code provided in your kit. Step 3. Double-check that you've entered the code correctly. If network congestion causes issues, try again during off-peak hours. Spectrum's AI-powered activation app, launched in Q1 2025, can help diagnose signal problems. If problems persist, ensure your account is linked to the device. If activation isn't the issue, coax signal strength could be the culprit. Spectrum uses coax cables to transmit data. The ideal downstream signal level is between -15 dBm and +15 dBm. Check all coax connections to ensure they are tight. Overloaded splitters can weaken signals, so minimize their use. Also, ensure your coax system is properly grounded to prevent surges. Interference from electronics can cause signal noise. Ensure cables are well shielded. If your signal is weak, Spectrum's newer self-install kits include built-in signal boosters. In urban areas, signal leakage from neighboring cables can also cause issues. Spectrum may need to install a signal isolator. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, contacting Spectrum tech support is the next step.